On 10th January 2022, all schools across the country will kickstart the full reopening after 2 years of closure following the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Although government rolled out plans to reopen all education institutions, chances are, however, high that some may not reopen as planned or even never. A number of schools, especially privately owned, were sold off, while others were turned into different business undertakings like hotels and bars. Others were attached to money lenders and banks due to delayed loan servicing. To those that will stand the test of reopening, the justification lies in exorbitant hiking of tuition fees.
The children who have gone to senior 2, you cannot teach them senior 2 work without completing senior 1 work. But we are not demanding any extra fees.
Besides financial incapability, many schools have also lost teachers to competitors and other employment sectors other than education.
We are in touch with our staff, both the teaching and non-teaching staff. A few of them we have not been able to get where they are.
Obviously, there are teachers who have realized that they can earn more when they are not in class and doing other things.
They have also differed from the government plan of refraining unvaccinated teachers and learners from accessing education premises without vaccination.
We can decide to vaccinate all teachers who are returning to be vaccinated at school.
The best strategy would be receive them at school, take stock of those who are vaccinated and those who are not vaccinated, organize health workers, come and vaccinate them, and proceed with safe reopening.
Over the 2 years, a number of learners have turned into teenage mothers and fathers. Though it's worrying, but it calls for special programs to reorient both learners and teachers into an extraordinary coexistence.
So many learners, the females, have been impregnated. This is a very dangerous situation.
We need to calm them down so that they can suit in the situation.
Also, because of the transition process of learners, concerted efforts accompanied with a pay rise might be mandatory to boost morale of teachers.
There is a need to look into the welfare of the teachers.
Several educational institutions survive on financial loans from commercial banks. The closure of schools in March 2020, however, left many commercial institutions incapacitated to servicing their loans borrowed from different financial institutions. Guided by the central bank, Stanbic Bank was able to give relief packages to their clients ranging from extension of repayment periods, reduction in interest rates, among others.
We are part of the solution. We will not sell, and we did not sell any school as a result of not paying debt during these 2 years.
In their extended services, Stanbic Bank has also come up with a boost financial solution to advance loans to institutions that already have loans, overdrafts at lower interest rates, among others.
Of course, we are not going to charge processing fees. So if someone applies for a loan as low as 100,000 or 500 or $1 million, you will get exactly what you have applied for.
It should be noted that the closure of schools in March followed the outbreak of a deadly respiratory disease, COVID-19. Suzan Nawonga reporting for EBC TV.